Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. So I soaked some oatmeal overnight, and it is the Bob's Red Mill Organic Old Fashioned Rolled Oats. I soaked them overnight, um, and you can see the starch that pretty much came off. Um, that's not all of it, but that's a good portion of it. And so I am slowly boiling the oats. I'm gonna put the lid on. Okay, and I added some cinnamon and some nutmeg. And then when it's all done, I'm gonna add some agave and some coconut flakes on top. So that is going to be breakfast. I'm eating a lot earlier than I normally would. Oh, and instead of butter, coconut oil. So there's my oatmeal for today, my oats. No, it's not Dr. Sebi approved for those who are alkaline, but this is what I'm having today, and I'm going to enjoy it. Love y'all. Later.